Hello, can you believe it's already November and it's time for, you know what? Operation Christmas Child. Every child in the world should have a Christmas present. We all believe in that. And SamaritansPurse.org is organizing since many years, every year, this action. It's everybody gets a shoebox. Ask your church, they will find it, or get them from SamaritansPurse.org directly. And these shoe boxes get packed. You have a little label. You can decide boy or girl. I choose a girl, and I choose age group 10 to 14 years old. This will go on top of the box. I also wrote a Christmas card and put some pictures in from us. We don't have one from my husband, so Grandpa got drawn here. that's me, and that's my granddaughter and my daughter. So we put that in. The kids really appreciate getting cards. And I show you how to pack that box. The website at SamaritansPurse.org will give you instructions that you cannot pack everything, so you have to make sure you stick to the rules. And between us, see, don't we always point the finger at the world, at the government, they should do more, and you know, we get kind of hopeless. But this is something we all can do. I can do, you can do. This goes to one child. You make one child happy, so there is no excuse not to participate here. So let's show you what you can pack. Rule number one: no books. Please do not pack books, because these boxes go in over 100 regions of the world, and not every child reads English or your language you are packing in. So no books. The other thing, no liquid, no lip balms, no creams, no lotions, no food, and no money. So these are the main rules. So they can't be in. You can put in a toothbrush, but no toothpaste. Toothbrush is fine. They need toiletry articles. They really like those, getting those. Now let's see what I pack. So let's open that box. So I have a dress, because I'm packing for a 10 to 14 year old. So I've got a dress. They're on sale at Walmart. You know, you get nice things there, or dollar store. They have nice stuff to put in. So this is the dress. I put that in the bottom. Then let's get the big stuff first. Here I have, these are little pictures, little canvases with colors, and a little paintbrush. And I like that because it's compact. You know, she can paint all these pictures, and you don't need extra. So the brush is in, the color is in, everything is in there. So let's get that in. Then this one is a big one. That's a diary. Look, you can make these different colors. You can write, and now girls write in that age. They love to write. So we put that one in. Then I have a stuffed animal. If you are a refugee, if you are, I don't know, Ukraine, maybe Israel this year, I don't know, Latin America, wherever you are, you might be hungry, you might have lost a family member, or your home. A stuffed animal goes a long way in every age, I think. So I put one in, that's just my opinion. Okay, then I have a notebook, like a little notebook to write on. I thought that is fun. So let's put that in. Little mermaid. Put that on the side, huh? Yeah, I can pack that here on the side. Then some socks and underwear. And this is a brush, a little brush, a foldable brush. And some underwear. And lots of hair ties and stuff. Put that in here. Then I have shoes, and I just put some more hair ties in it that they stick together. So I put those because this is probably the biggest bulk here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, still fits. Then we put gel pens and pencils. Another thing, if you send pencils, make sure you have erasers and a sharpener with it. So I have to still buy a sharpener. I couldn't find a sharpener, pencil sharpener, when I bought these things. So I have to still do that. Use the space wisely. And this is a holiday puzzle. Put that one in. Here. Yep, that works. And these are stickers, little faces where you can put stickers on, you know. Yeah. And can go here. It's too big. Let's put that under the shoes. Takes the least space here. Maybe put the ties away here. Yeah. I think it folds better. Then I have pencils. Colored pencils. Again, don't forget the erasers and the sharpeners. That could work here or here. Yeah. Another tie. Socks. Socks are always requested. More hair ties, and I think I have it. Put the Christmas card in here. Close it. So make sure it closes. And then you put rubber bands on it. No, don't glue it. Don't glue anything together or tape it, because customs and the volunteers have to be able to look in. What they do is they have to control it, that no forbidden stuff is in there. And sometimes if our box is very empty, they just distribute it evenly. So, but in general, it stays that way. So then the label goes on top. I do this later because I have to get a toothbrush still and a pencil sharpener. And I pack that a little bit more better. But don't be that one. Participate in Operation Christmas Child and make somebody really happy. Okay, see you at the drop-off location. Once you have the label on the shoebox and it's all packed, don't forget to enter on the website or scan it. Here are the instructions. Scan it and or enter it on the website so that you can trace your packet. You will know where their packet goes, what country, and give your voluntary donation of $10 to help with shipment and organization. Thanks. Bye.